After connecting to the Smart Life app, remote control of the range hood is supported. The app interface includes settings such as power on or off, fan speed switch, delay shutdown, lighting, intelligent dry cleaning, timed cleaning, and timed ventilation, providing fresher kitchen air and easier cooking. Take intelligent dry cleaning as an example. Tap intelligent dry cleaning. Tap start. The range hood will activate the intelligent dry cleaning function. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner to access the device extension functions, including kitchen environment monitoring, gesture sensor, auto on or off light, standby display style, standby screen off, aisle cup cleaning reminder, and other general device settings. These can be customized according to your preferences.